right, so the following video is for Jeff. He's with a warranty company called Horizon, really good warranty company, but he wants me to check the voltage going to this machine. So I'm out here on a service call for them. This is Dave with Fitness Technology. I think you're gonna figure that one out. But anyway, I'm gonna have it running. You can see it's steady 120, 120.9, and I'm even gonna switch it over to amp so you can see. All right, ma'am, go ahead and get started. So this is gonna be a live action service call. Machine may or may not run. I honestly don't know. So it ran when I was here last time and not for her. And I think the next day, or almost the same day. All right, so it's steady at 120.6. Now, when I was out here last time, it amped at like 4 to 5 amps, which is very good. So I didn't think necessarily it would be the deck or the belt, but I don't really think it's the voltage coming in. So on this trip, I replaced the motor controller, because every motor controller should handle up to 9 amps really. You've seen a lot of my videos, you know. You should be able to go 8, 9 amps before you have an issue. So now while she's walking on it, I'm gonna switch this over to amps. I know it's gonna be a little sketchy. See, 4, 4. So the belt and deck aren't working really hard. So every machine, no matter what, should have enough, what's a polite word for this, oomph to handle up to 9 amps really, much more or less 4. So I'm gonna switch this back over to voltage and we are gonna see. Yeah, see, that's staying perfectly the same. So I really think the current going to this particular treadmill is absolutely fine. My normal next step, like we've already done, is that motor controller when this happens, when the amperage is really good. So I just changed the motor controller. Customer is testing it. So I can't help but think that's fixed. I mean, look, 4.2, 4.6, that's pretty good. All right, so that should be enough for you, Jeff. Again, thanks a lot, and I'll get this over to you. I'm gonna probably put it on YouTube. It's too long of a video, I think, for email, and it'll take too long. And I can always take it back down, and if you don't want your name mentioned, I'll blank out your name real quick. All right, thanks a lot, but I think we're doing pretty good right now. At least we've gotten 3 minutes out of it, and she wasn't even getting that before. All right, thanks a lot.